Can you build a home on your land for under $350,000? Well, I have the answer, yes, you can. At United Built Homes, our average home price is under $350,000, and many of our homes are in the 200,000s. That means that building a new home on your land may be more affordable than many families expect. If you already own land in Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, or Oklahoma, you are in a strong position to get started. UBH helps families build site-built homes on land that they already own. You can choose from proven floor plans and personalize it to fit your family, your land, and your budget. The best candidates for staying under $350,000 are families who already own land, choose a proven floor plan, keep the square footage reasonable, and have manageable site work and utility needs. Of course, the final price depends on several factors. These can include home plan, square footage, finish selections, land conditions, driveway length, water access, septic or sewer needs, utilities, site preparation, and financing approval. But the big answer is clear. Yes, many families can build a home on their land for under $350,000. For qualified landowners, UBH also offers in-house financing. That means that one team helps with the home plan, financing, and construction process. In some cases, qualified buyers may also be eligible for zero down options. So if you are asking, can I build a home on my land for under $350,000, the next step is simple. Review your land, your budget, and your floor plan options with a builder that understands build on your land homes. United Built Homes has helped over 50,000 families build on their land since 1958. Visit UBH.com to find the design center nearest you. You may be closer to your new home than you think.